Hello everyone. So it's been brought to my attention that a lot of the assets that we used for the RPG series so long ago, like the Infinity Blade stuff, is apparently no longer available. I don't know if they're still migrating it over to the Fab marketplace or if it's just gone. But between that and kind of changes that have happened in the engine since then, I've wanted to kind of retackle some of those same things in a better way. Didn't want y'all to, think it was just a one-trick pony, but I did find a slew of assets for just to use to tackle a similar concept in a different style. So we can have a hotbar system where we'll have tools. It'll be more Stardew Valley, Coral Island kind of inspired. We'll be able to till the ground, plant crops and such. And we'll have our inventory system again. I'm still kind of in the prototyping phase, but I wanted to go ahead and get a jump start. Let y'all go ahead and get things set up, and then we'll start. We'll be able to get some good progress pretty quickly. We'll have drag and drop inventory system, and it'll work if you change weapons that's currently equipped. It'll automatically update things like that. Swap automatically. We'll have our grid system, we'll have a shop system, etc. We'll have combat, just some basic combat and stuff. And then we'll go over some crafting and prop placement. So basically things you might expect from a kind of cozy-ish farming game. So if we jump over to the Fab Marketplace, they have this animated farmer 3D low poly. He's free, he's animated, he comes with tools. My internet sucks. But we also have this town set up, so we'll be able to get all these props that I really wish I could show you. If you look right here, this tiny little... My internet sucks. We also have these cutesy enemies. This screen loads. Does this one? No. These cutesy enemies to kind of fit that kind of style. An environment for it. A weapon pack. All of this stuff is free. It's on the Fab Marketplace. All you do is you just go under the free setting. I will leave a link to all of these specifically, and then I will leave a link to the free browse section. They even have more stuff that I can't show you because T-Mobile hates me. But he's got tools, he's got animations. We got some props and stuff like that. Some food, so we'll have some crops to be able to plant and things of that nature. We'll set up I don't think we have a chicken mesh, but we will set up a way that's kind of like chicken, so it'll lay eggs, etc. We'll be able to fight our enemies. These are all animated too. So we'll have a variety of enemies, an environment to chop down trees or rocks and what have you. And then weapons to be able to fight these bad boys with. Yeah. Anyway, I will leave a link to all this down below, and I will see y'all in the first episode. I'm probably going to record it pretty soon, so I'll see y'all there. Bye.